so fine. I say that that's a remarkable animal you have there, Forty. Where did you get it?
Saxons in the town.
Really? Well, was it expensive?
12 birthday.
Good. Oh. Japanese, was it?
Canadian, isn't it?
I didn't know the Canadians. Germans,
It's shorter than it.
Alright, guys, listen. It's normal if you understand 1% or 2%. The intention is not understand the complete video. Maybe you understand, I don't know, how are you, or I can speak English. But maybe the rest of the conversation is very complicated for you, it's difficult, but it's normal. Right? It's normal. So listen, I want you to compare your answers and check if that situation